Hi everyone, it's time for a reboot. We're taking the workshops on the 27th, that's Friday the 27th of March, online to a streaming service, and I thought I'd bring a couple of the team along to help explain what's happening.
Hi, I'm Rachel. We're going live streaming with this, so we've got a series of fantastic interactive online workshops for you.
Hi, I'm Kasia. In the next couple of days, Paul will be sending you details of the workshops and how to secure your spaces in this free Zoom event.
What I'd like you to do is send in your questions before the workshops around any of the three topics, or all of them, of coaching, difficult conversations and team dynamics.
Okay, something you need to do before Friday the 27th is to make sure that whichever device you're joining us on is enabled for sound and vision as well. Then if you want to join in, if we want to bring you into the room and you want to be there, then you'll be able to do that too.
And if you want to have a conversation with us about an issue that is live for you, I'll be the one taking the calls during the day, behind the scenes.
All you need to do is to drop us an email, Nicola in particular, at the email address that's going to appear on screen just at the end of this video. See you there.